Sometimes for your hair loss, the best solution for you is your salon, is a traditional hair salon. At a hair salon, you can get wigs, you can get volumizers, powders, scalp treatments, color design to conceal, things like that. Cosmetic solutions. At a hair loss practice, you'll get hair and scalp analysis, trichology, bonding, non surgical hair replacement, hair systems, things like that. So, a hair loss practice provides advanced hair loss solutions, while a traditional salon provides cosmetic solutions, and it's nothing wrong with it. And sometimes the salon is the best option for you. For example, if you are looking for very budgeted services, a salon might be a very good choice. If you're not ready or looking for a long-term solution, a salon might be a very good choice. If you have just very temporary hair loss, you're not very sure, a cosmetic solution might be the best decision for you. If you're just not ready to pursue what a hair loss practice has to offer, then a traditional salon is a really good option. Traditional salons do provide a lot of cosmetic solutions, right? So a practice is going to try to differentiate themselves from a traditional salon by doing certain things. Like for me, we don't do a lot of salon services at Plentiful Hair Studio, as most hair loss practices. Now there are some who still do traditional services, so you can have the best of both worlds in one place. But sometimes if you're not ready to take the plunge, a salon may be what you want. It may be what you need.